Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this watch. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna place my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that my results might be not too accurate. Now let's continue with the measurement. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu, and in the menu find the heart rate icon. Looks like this, like the heart. Tap on it to open the heart rate widget, and the watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically. This number will jump around, but once it stabilizes, it should be your current heart rate. Let me wake up the screen. Let's see. So it looks like it's about 90, I believe. It should jump down. For some reason it doesn't. Oh, here we have it. Now it's 67 apparently. So this accuracy of this sensor is quite weird, but anyway, the number will jump around. Once it stabilizes, it should be your current heart rate. I recommend to wait for a couple of seconds. And as you can see now, it's around 72. Okay, once you're done measuring, you can press the side button to go back if you want. You can also scroll down right here and check some heart rate zones and stuff like that. We have 30-day resting heart rate if you want to check it, but you need to wear your watch for at least 30 days to gather the data. You can also tap on the continuous monitoring settings to check if you want to measure your heart rate automatically, or you want your watch to measure your heart rate automatically. And you have options like off. If you select this option, it will be turned off, and you will need to do it manually if you want to. You have also the smart option, and you can select 1 minute, 10 minutes, and 30 minutes. So for example, if you select 10 minutes, it's gonna measure your heart rate every 10 minutes, and so on. Okay, and once you're done, like I said before, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.